Hi, welcome to this Pranayama practice. So this is a breathing class where we will run through a few different techniques of Pranayama, which is breath control in the yogic tradition. And we will only be needing ourselves on the mat, so it can be nice to be sitting up on something. I'm up on a block, but if you have a cushion or maybe a rolled blanket, something just to lift up the hips, can help you sit a bit more comfortably for longer. We can start by closing down the eyes, sitting tall through the spine. And we begin by just becoming aware of the breath. In our yogic practice, we breathe in and out through the nose. It's considered a more hygienic way to breathe than through the mouth. Feeling the weight of your hands on your knees. Coming back to the breath. You feel the mind has wandered somewhere else. This is our anchoring point, our center for this practice. So breath control in yoga is a way to center the mind, and it is one of the limbs of yoga, pranayama, coming after asana. And it's through this we eventually work our way to meditation, all the way to samadhi, which is bliss, enlightenment. So our first breathing technique will be abdominal breathing, full yogic breath, where we try to fill up the belly as well as the chest. So we often breathe quite high. So seeing if we can, when we inhale and exhale, reach all the way down to the belly. It's also about engaging the whole diaphragm, so not just the front, but also the sides of the ribs, the backs of the ribs, so the whole cage of the ribs. So when you're ready, we'll start to deepen the breath. You can place one hand on your stomach. It can help you to feel where the breath is coming, if it is reaching the belly. Inhaling. Exhaling. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Feeling the belly expand. Exhale. You can put hands on the sides of the ribs as well to see if we can feel the whole rib cage opening. Inhaling. Exhaling. So continuing in your own rhythm, try to have nice deep breaths. Taking a few more breaths in your own speed. When you've finished 4 breaths, you can come back to breathing normally. So when you're done, a few recovery breaths here. And then we'll move on to our next type of pranayama, which will be box breathing. So box breathing, we're imagining a 4-sided box. So even sides. So we'll be inhaling for 4, holding for 4, exhaling for 4, holding for 4. So it's both an internal retention and an external retention of the breath. Rolling shoulders up and back, and we begin. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. We go again. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this last one guided together, and then we'll continue on our own. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 1, 2, 3, 4. So continuing, maybe deepening the breath, maybe keeping it as is. When you're done with your final hold on the exhale, returning to your normal breath. We'll have 3 more techniques to go through. They are all connected to each other. So we'll be doing Surya Vedi, Chandra Vedi, and then Nadi Shodhana, which is alternate nostril breathing. So Surya Vedi, we're working with the sun energy, the right side of the body. So we'll be blocking off the left nostril, inhaling through right. And this will activate the energy in the body and help you feel a little more awake. And then we'll move on to Chandra Vedi, which is the moon energy, the left side of the body, which will help us feel a little more calm and come back to ourselves. So once we've done both sides, we'll then be breathing through alternating nostrils, left, right, right, left. So we'll start by blocking off the left nostril. We can do this using our left thumb, blocking off lightly the left nostril. Inhaling through right. Exhaling through right. Inhaling through right. Exhale through right. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Continuing in your own speed here. And your final breath, releasing your hands, closing down the eyes, breathing normally through both sides of the nose. Noticing any sensations. Noticing your face. See if you're tensing up in the face. Relaxing what you can. Alright, other side. So we're blocking off right nostril this time. Inhaling, exhaling through left. We begin. Inhale, left. Exhale, left. Inhale, left. Exhale, left. Inhale, left. Exhale, left. Inhale, left. Exhale, left. Inhale. Exhale. So continue in your own speed here. Releasing both hands, breathing normally for a few breaths. So to finish the practice, we'll be doing Nadi Shodhana, alternate nostril breathing. So connecting the right and the left side of the body, the sun and moon, which is yoga union. So finding that balance between the two. This time we can either use our fingers like we did before, or taking our two-piece fingers to our third eye, using our thumb to block our right nostril and then our ring finger and pinky to block the left. We always start with the left side, exhaling through right side. So when you're ready, finding the position with the hands, blocking off right. Inhaling left. Block, exhale right. Inhale right. Block, exhale left. Inhale left. Block, exhale right. Inhale right. Exhale left. Inhale left. Exhale right. Continuing in your own speed. And when you're finished on your left side, releasing your hands down, have eyes open or closed, and just take a few breaths. Noticing any shifts in the body. When you're ready, blinking open the eyes, bringing hands to heart center. Finishing the class with one Om. You can choose to listen or to join. Big inhale for the Om. Bowing down towards yourself. Namaste. Thanks for joining for this morning's pranayama practice. If you enjoyed it, feel free to leave a like, and if you're not already subscribed, feel free to subscribe. I'll see you again another time soon.